Welcome to the Protrak Lightweight Precast Management Solution. In this demo, we'll walk through the complete precast manufacturing lifecycle. From factory and product setup to customer jobs, production planning, quality inspections, dispatch, and installation tracking. Protrak delivers end-to-end visibility, traceability, and control while simplifying operations across planning, production, quality, stockyard, and site teams. Let's start with factory setup. Before beginning production, complete the one-time setup of your manufacturing facility. Navigate to the factory's module and create a new factory by entering its name, address, and assigning the factory team. Next, configure the production halls associated with the factory to represent different manufacturing areas, if applicable. Then, set up the factory stockyards where finished precast products will be stored after production and quality approval. Once these configurations are complete, your factory is ready to support production and inventory operations. The Product Master acts as the central repository for all standard precast products. Create a new product by entering details such as product name, dimensions, specifications, amongst others. Upload the corresponding engineering drawing and define the raw material consumption like rebar, concrete, etc. required for manufacturing. Maintaining products centrally ensures consistency across all projects while simplifying planning and material estimation. After logging into Protrak, users are presented with a role-based homepage and dashboard that displays information relevant to their responsibilities. We're logged in as a planner with quick access to reports. Production batches dashboards. Load dashboard. Jobs, scope, and other planning activities. As the demo progresses, we'll also explore the dashboards for production, quality, stockyard, and site teams, highlighting the tools available for each role. Production begins by creating a job. Planning engineer, planner creates a job by navigating to the Jobs module and click Add Job. Enter the job name, job code, and other project information before saving. The job serves as the primary production entity under which all manufacturing activities for a customer order will be managed. After creating the job, define its production requirements by navigating to the Job Scope widget and selecting Add Job Scope. Select the required product from the Product Master and enter the scope quantity. Multiple job scopes can be added under the same job, allowing planners to manage different product types within a single customer order. After defining the job scope, the planner has two options: create all new or reuse stock and create. We'll select Create All New. Protrak creates an individual product record for each item in the job scope. For example, a scope count of 10 results in 10 separate product records. Each product can be tracked independently through production, quality inspections, stockyard, dispatch, and final installation, ensuring complete traceability throughout its lifecycle. Every product created in Protrak is fully traceable. Products created under a job automatically include the job code in their name, making it easy to distinguish them from standard inventory products. Users can also view all products associated with a job through the Relations widget. When creating products within a job scope, Protrak also checks whether matching inventory products are already available. For example, this septic tank product has no job linked to it, which means it was manufactured for stock. To use this product in the job, simply click Use Stock and create from the job scope. Protrak links the available inventory product to the job and creates only the remaining quantity required. This minimizes unnecessary production, optimizes inventory utilization, and ensures complete traceability throughout the production process. Protrak also supports creating products directly for inventory, allowing standard products to be manufactured in advance. Navigate to Scope. Click Add Scope, select the product. Enter the quantity. And save. Click Create All New. Protrak creates individual product records without linking them to a job, making them available for future orders or job scopes. Now that the products are ready, production planning begins. Navigate to Batch Planning and create a new batch. Select the plan casting date, product type and link all products currently in the planning state. Once the batch is finalized, the planning engineer promotes it to in production. All linked products automatically move into the in production state, sending a push notification to production engineer of the allocated batch, indicating that manufacturing activities have started. The production engineer receives the batch in the actionable dashboard and begins the pre-pour activities, such as mold preparation and other required setup. Once the preparations are complete, the production engineer raises a quality inspection request, notifying the quality engineer. The quality engineer received the batch in the actionable dashboard and performs the inspection. Upon successful completion, updates the batch status to inspection completed. This also updates the quality inspection status to completed on each product linked to the batch. The production engineer then proceeds with concrete pouring and marks the batch as production completed once the activity is finished. Protrak automatically creates a cylinder test record to track concrete strength. The quality engineer starts cylinder test and records the test results at the defined intervals, starting with hourly inspections, followed by day-based inspections. Once the required inspections are completed, the cylinder test progresses through the respective inspection stages. Day inspection results can be recorded in parallel as per the testing schedule. Upon successful completion of all required tests, the linked products are automatically moved to the in stockyard state, and the batch is marked as in stockyard. Once products reach the stockyard, they become available in the stockyard engineer's actionable list. The stockyard engineer scans the product QR codes and links them to the respective stockyards. Confirming their physical storage location in Protrak. Next, the planning engineer initiates load planning by creating a new load. By adding shipping information, document details, and delivery information. Planner then navigates to the Link Products widget and links the products scheduled for delivery. Protrak uses a color coding system to highlight product curing status based on the casting date. Red, products cast within the last 3 days, indicating that the curing period is not yet complete. Yellow, products cast more than 3 days ago and ready for dispatch consideration. This helps planners prioritize dispatch decisions while ensuring curing requirements are met. For urgent requirements, an emergency approval workflow is also available. Once all required products are assigned, the load is moved to the pre-delivery inspection stage. The quality inspector then performs the final verification, records the inspection results, and uploads supporting photos, if required. After successful inspection, the checklist is approved and the load automatically moves to ready for dispatch status. The stockyard engineer receives the approved load in the actionable loads dashboard and dispatches it from the factory. The load status changes to dispatched, and all linked products automatically move to the dispatched state. At the project site, the site engineer can view all dispatched products, record their receipt, and starts the installation process. Once erection is completed, the products are moved to the erection completed state. This completes the complete digital lifecycle, providing end-to-end traceability from production planning to final installation.